plan to use. Ensure your internet connection is stable before you begin. This preparation makes the login process smoother and helps you avoid interruptions, ensuring a seamless start to filing. Once you have chosen your platform, new users will need to create an account. Be sure to use a strong, unique password for security. If you are a returning user, simply enter your existing login credentials. Always enable two-factor authentication if available. It adds an extra layer of protection to your sensitive tax information, keeping your data safe. After successfully logging in, you will typically land on a dashboard or home screen. Look for a clear option to start a new tax return or continue an existing one. Take a moment to review any pre-filled personal information to ensure it is accurate. Many platforms also offer the convenience of importing data from your previous year's return, saving you time and effort. As you begin entering your tax information, it is crucial to save your progress frequently. This prevents any potential data loss due to unexpected interruptions. When you are ready to take a break, locate the Save and Exit or Log Out button. Always confirm that your session has been securely ended before closing your browser or leaving your computer unattended, protecting your privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.